What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Cheese. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing what I got from Ulta. Okay. First of all, do you see the hair? Do you like my hair today? You like it? I thought it was real cute. So what I got from Ulta, let's just go ahead and get with this unboxing. So the first thing that I got was, of course, some more Melanin hair care. Melanin hair care is one of my favorite brands. Matter of fact, one is already gone. As you can see, this is the temporary bottle because it has the top on it. But this is a temporary top. So I'm going to see how much I can actually fit in this one, because I already filled this one up with some of this one. So this one is like a really full, and so I'm gonna see if I can do the same thing, get enough in here so that way I can just throw this bottle away. So let's see now if we could do that. I don't like to waste products, okay? And this is very, you gotta get it moving. You gotta get it moving just a little bit. Oh, so while that is settling at the top here, we're just gonna set this upside down and let that settle so I can fill this one up. But I'm so excited. I now have 2 bottles of Melanin hair care, and of the leave-in. I love the leave-in. Melanin hair care is one of my favorite brands, and Whitney really be doing her thing when it came to Melanin hair care. I love this leave-in. This is one of my favorite leave-ins. Love the design. I love the packaging. I love the bottle, I love the big bottle it comes in, and I love the price as well. Great ingredients, okay? Y'all remember I did a video talking about ingredients. Great ingredients, and you do get what you pay for. You get what you pay for when you shop with Melanin hair care. I love Melanin hair care. One of my favorite brands, hands down. And I now have 2 bottles, okay? So now I have 2 bottles of everything except the oil. I have to get the oil. When I went, they didn't have it in stock. So yeah, I gotta get the oil. But so now I have 2 of everything except for the oil. And y'all know I had to get another. Boom, I had to do it, okay? I had to get another twist elongating style cream. I just had to get another one because... So I had to get another one because this is just one of my favorite brands, and I wanted to have 2. So as you can see, the product's very thick. Big tub, 16 ounces. Ugh, smells so good. Smells like shea butter. So this is the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream. If you are new to my channel, I love Melanin hair care. Melanin hair care is one of my favorite brands to use, especially when I have twist outs, and I just love using Melanin hair care. And my go-to signature style is a twist out. So this is most likely what I'm using. And so what I'm starting to do on my channel is I don't want to do product reviews, you know. I don't want to do any more product reviews unless it's something that I actually really want to try. I'm trying to stick to my go-to products because it is growing my hair. So I'm not doing any more product reviews on my channel. I just want to give you good tips. And if you keep doing the same thing over and over again, your hair is going to grow, you know what I mean? Like if you keep using the same products, your hair is going to get used to those products. It's going to get used to that regimen, and your hair is going to grow. So, you feel me? Melanin hair care. You cannot go wrong with Melanin hair care. Great products, great price, great containers, 16 fluid ounces. Like, Whitney really sells great stuff, and like I said, you get what you pay for. So the price, if you don't like the price, you really gotta, I mean, the ingredients, you just get what you pay for. You understand what I'm saying? So if you don't like melanin hair care, if you don't want to get melanin hair care because of the price is definitely great. It's a great price. Like I said, you get what you pay for. So enough of that. Okay, see, yeah, so a lot of this is already settling. So the next thing I got was, okay, the Soap and Glory, what is this? The Soap and Glory face soap, the vitamin C facial wash. I got this in a small tube just because, you know, when I travel and stuff like that, and if I, you know, spend a night somewhere, you know what I'm saying, I don't want to carry my big one around, but I love this for my face. Okay, hold on, I have the big one. Let me go show y'all. Okay, boom. Okay, boom. So this is my little travel kit, you know what I'm saying, whenever I go somewhere. This is my little travel kit, and the one that's in here is the big one. And you know, I was like, you know what, I could substitute, and then when I run out, I could just refill this. Hold on, let me see. It won't open. I can't. Okay, so I can't untwist it right now. But yes, this is just the smaller version of this. It's the travel size version. So this one is gonna stay at my house, and when I travel and things like that, this one can come with me on my vacations, or you know, if I travel and stuff like that. So not travel, but you know, if I like spend a night somewhere, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So this is the smaller version of this. I absolutely love this for my face. As you can see, my face, I'm working on it. You know what I'm saying? I'm working on it. We coming together real nicely. I went through a time where, you know, I was eating candy and donuts. It was you know what? It was more so donuts, because it's a great donut shop like down the street from my house, and they just be selling great donuts. So it's just like, you know, I know it's gonna mess up my face, but I can't help it, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I got some donuts 2 days in a row, and I know y'all like, oh, you know, 1 or 2 donuts can't do that to your face. Mind your business. Mind your business. I did not have 1 or 2. I had probably about, don't even worry about it, you know what I'm saying, my weight under control and things like that. So yeah, so I had some donuts, which is what this is, here, and here. And I had one on my chin. So yeah, I can't do sweets, I know that, but yeah. So I got me a little travel size version of this. So this one is gonna come out of my bag, and I'm gonna put this one in my bag. My little face wash is so cute, so small, and boom. Okay, boom. The next thing I got was, I just thought this was on sale. It was like, because it's by the same brand, so they were like, you get $2 off or what, or something like that. So I was like, okay, well, you know, if y'all doing that, you know, you're just giving off discounts, that's cool. So this is the I've never tried this ever before. This is the Soap and Glory hand food. I got the travel size because I didn't know, one, this will fit in my purse, and two, because I didn't know how I was gonna like it. So let's just see. Take my ring. Okay, she smell good. All right. This is, oh. Okay, I like it. I like it. Definitely good for a little hand lotion, because you know during coronavirus, washing your hands and using that sanitizer when you out and about be drying your hands out. So get your little, okay, this feels, why do my hands look so light skinned? What's going on with me? I don't know. Anyway, so this is the hand food. Very, very good. I like it. Yeah, that's cool. By Soap and Glory. So, the brand Soap and Glory can also be found at Target as well. So if you don't want to go to Ulta, or if you don't have an Ulta around, Soap and Glory can definitely be found at Target as well. I really do recommend this facial wash. I've had this for some months now, and a little definitely goes a long way, you know. A little definitely goes a long way. Like, y'all can see how much I've used. Like I said, a little goes a long way. So you don't need a lot. This is $10 at Target. I got this one at Target, $10.99. Great price. A lot of product, especially because you're only going to use a little bit for your face. So highly recommend. Highly recommend. The last thing I got was this little exfoliating little loofah thing. Cause I wanted to, you know, I have the exfoliating gloves, and I love those, but you know, I wanted a loofah. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, exfoliating loofah, great for me. Love that for me. And so that is it. Okay. So what I paid. It doesn't have the price on here, but I kind of remember around, hold on, let me see. Okay, so there's no, let me check the, okay, so there's no like pricing on here. So this is not like Sally's where they just have the price of stuff. They just have the items and everything listed, not like the full price on here. But I know I paid around like 50 something, and that's only because of these two. Did I pay 50? I don't know. I don't remember. It's don't remember, but I know this is 16, and then this is 18, and then I believe it was like $50. Yeah, it was 50 something around there, because I did not get free shipping. I don't have free shipping with Ulta, unfortunately. Unfortunately, I don't have free shipping with Ulta. So sad. So sad. But yeah, I paid around $50. So yeah, y'all, go get, if you don't get anything from Ulta, I highly recommend Melanin Hair Care and the Soap and Glory face wash. I did not get this one at Ulta. I got this one at Target, but they sell the minis, and I'm sure they sell the bigger one as well. But yeah, Soap and Glory and Melanin Hair Care, one of my favorite brands. I absolutely love. Okay, so that is all I got from Ulta. This is a hair channel and a skincare channel, so I decided, you know, why not do an unboxing on what I got from Ulta, you know what I'm saying? Especially because Melanin Hair Care can only be found at Ulta. So hopefully they branch out. They probably won't, I'm not sure, you know, maybe they will, maybe they won't, I'm not sure. But yeah, y'all, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you have tried Soap and Glory before. Let me know if you have tried Ulta before. Let me know how you liked it. Let me see. So I'm gonna show y'all how I fill up the rest of my stuff. okay? Because yeah, I'm trying to get, I want all that, you know. So what I do is I just, this is the newer one, but I just, you know, I want all my product. You feel me? No product gets left behind. You understand? So yeah. And then also, this is just so satisfying to do. Like, it's just so satisfying. So let's see how much we could fit in here. Ooh. Ooh. Trying to fill her up, baby. We don't want no product left behind. Go. Get in there. Okay, so that is enough. Like I said, I'm still gonna keep this bottle because no product gets left behind. Like, y'all remember from Lilo and Stitch on How That Means Family? That mean ain't nobody getting left behind, you know, from Lilo and Stitch. Yes, ma'am. So we're gonna go ahead and close her up. You feel me? And yeah, y'all. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Trees. And make sure your post notifications are turned on. That way you know if every time I upload a new video. I will see y'all in my next one. Happy Martin Luther King Day, okay? MLK Day. MLK Day. Happy MLK Day. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.